and this is intended for NSFs. Whenever a borrower makes a payment and the money goes NSF, what do you do? Most of the time, you're going to want to charge an NSF fee. So we have that ability, and we're going to show you how to do that. So on the first, in this example, we're going to post a payment for this Andrew Walters, and we're going to create a new payment. So they paid today, and what we're applying it for is for the 2-1 payment. So, it's going to be $1,000 that they paid, and we're going to post. Now, we go ahead and we process it, and for some reason, they don't have enough funds. It went NSF. So, you need to configure your NSF fee under Control Panel, under loan fee types. So we have an NSF fee here, and you can have a default amount, or you can have any of these different items. If you want to go off of principal balance, a percentage of the interest of the entire amount due, percentage of the principal and interest, percentage of the credit limit. So you have a lot of options. In most cases, you're gonna charge a flat amount. So we can set it to $50 if that's conventional. We're gonna go ahead and reverse the payment. So we need to go into right click on Andrew Walters, click on exceptions, and then reverse payment. That's one of the options. You can also go into enter transaction, exceptions, reverse transaction. The difference is up here, you're going to have to select the loan. So it's a lot easier to just right click, exception, reverse transaction. It's totally up to you how you want to do it, but in most cases, you're just going to want to right click on it. It's a lot faster. So now we're in the transaction, and it will always give you the last transaction that you've made. So if you need to reverse 3 transactions, you will need to go in and reverse all 3 one by one. Here we're going to reverse this $1,000 because it was paid today, but unfortunately the borrower did not have enough funds, so we're going to reverse it. So all we have to do is hit OK. Now, if you have a reference number, you can add it, and this is optional. You don't have to enter it in, but if you do have a reference number, maybe the check number or any other sort of reference, you can add it here. This button here is if you want to show it on reports. In this case, we do, because we want to show it on payment histories or any other reports. We want to show it as a reversal because it did get reversed and it was money that went in NSF. So additionally, at the bottom, you can click on apply fee, and this is for the NSF fee. So we're going to select NSF fee, and automatically it gives you the $50. But if for any reason you want to, maybe you have an agreement with the borrower saying, we're only going to charge you $25. You can always do that from here. So you just enter in $25 here, and you can go ahead and select when you want the fee to be billed. So we want to bill this as of today. So any new payment, we want to collect our $25 fee. You can also click on print NSF notice, and this does need to be set up. And here we can, see how it will bring this window here that says, do you want to add it under docs and logs? We can say yes because we want to save it. And then it brought up this NSF notice. So this is a report that is customizable. This is just our cookie cutter out of the box report. You can add your logo here, you can change the verbiage, and please look at other videos so that you can see how you can easily edit any of these reports. And we can show you how to do that. So, all right, this all looks good. Maybe I want to email it. You can click here, send as email. Maybe create you can set a loan template. And again, this would be on another video, so you can see how you can create an email template and generate that, send that email out. So now I'm just going to close out of here and hit OK. And now if we go into you can go into the loan itself and look at the fees from here, and you'll see how there's a new $25 fee and everything is set. So that was pretty much it. That's how you create an exception, which is a reversal, and include a fee. And that was it. Thank you.